The story of this museum I love because it really is, it boils down to one person who decided it needed to happen and just worked and worked and worked and worked. And many years later, and lots of other people sort of coming to the table to help later, it actually happens. I mean, that really is, I think, symbolic of the kind of struggle that this is trying to commemorate.
I think so, absolutely. And that's really, if you think about it, that's the story of so many of our museums. Dr. Wright with the Charles Wright Museum.
Absolutely.
You know, the DeSable, Margaret Burroughs at the DeSable Museum.
Yeah.
You start to think about all of those, you know, these people, you know, Aurelia Brooks out in the California African American Museum, Harry Robinson down at the Dallas African American Museum. You have all of these people in these museums all over the country where you have these individuals that's worked and worked and work, and then people in their community stepped up to help them make it happen. Yeah. So it is only fitting that this museum has come and been being birthed the way that it has been.
Yeah. This is our third annual Champions of Education, sponsored by Ford Motor Company Fund. Our reception sponsor is MGM Grand Detroit. It's going to be a wonderful event. It is October 13th, next Thursday. And it's a short evening starting at 5:30, but we do showcase all of the wonderful talent inside of DPSCD. So our students will be dancing and singing. The mariachi group will be playing. The All City Jazz Combo will be gracing us with their talents. And then we are going to pay tribute to our DPSCD honorees, Interim Superintendent Alicia Merriweather, as well as Willie McAllister, who is over the Fine Arts program, and then our corporate honorees, Ford Motor Company Fund, as well as ABC Student Transportation will be honored as well.